is Shaheeda, and I just completed the HCG diet on the 6-week program. Before I felt very unenergized and lazy. Afterwards, I did lose weight, I did lose inches, and I do feel more upbeat and more energized after completing the program. So I'm very happy.
Wonderful. And Shaheeda, would you recommend this program for other people?
Definitely a jump start to a new lifestyle because I feel like moving forward, I can stay on the same, on the same program to, just as a lifestyle opposed to like a quick fix.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us, and we wish you much success.
Thank you.